The whole purpose of a jail or punishment period is to learn from your mistake, not to make it worse.
But loved ones and advocates are worried about the physical and mental health of inmates living at the Danville Correctional Center as the number of COVID-19 cases there surges past 600. Good evening. I'm Mark Maxwell.
And I'm Jen Lask. Paul and Jessica have the night off. Tonight, 610 inmates and 50 staff are currently battling the virus. More and more family members are reaching out to me with concerns that not enough is being done to slow the spread of COVID-19.
Of course, he's not doing well with this. He's steady, like, I'm so angry, like, on how they treat us, but, he can't blow up or get mad about it because he's an inmate.
Anxiety is running rampant at Danville Correctional Center as the Illinois Department of Corrections tries to stop a different kind of outbreak. Trevana Howe says her boyfriend, Lamar Stewart, was moved to a quarantine zone when staff thought his cellmate might have the virus. She says neither tested positive until several days after that move, at which point they'd already been taken back to the general population.
Concerns are that there's a lot of movement going on within the housing units.
Pablo Mendoza was released 2 months ago from Lawrence Correctional Center. He still talks to inmates there and at Danville.
If you're thought to have had the COVID, they bring you into a specific unit. They'll move somebody out to where you were at.
IDOC says a team deep cleans cells and inmates get bleach for their units, but multiple inmates and family members tell me it's too watered down.
So what is that going to do? Some water? You you disinfect them with water? That doesn't work.
I reached out to IDOC spokesperson to ask about Danville's cleaning supply inventory and those concerns about the bleach, to no response. As the COVID cases rise, Mendoza says the mood deteriorates.
Have no contact, and you have no time out the cell, and when you do, it's nothing that's regimental.
Both he and acting director Rob Jeffries have said they've seen a link between the lockdown and assaults on staff.
That's like a ticking time bomb.
We reached out to IDOC not only on the cleaning procedures, but also on the number of deaths across correctional centers. That information is not included in the COVID-19 response page's updates each day. Officials have yet to respond to our requests for the latest information on that today. As of today, IDOC numbers show 322 staff currently have COVID-19 and more than 3,400 have had it at some point during the pandemic. 1,885 inmates currently have the virus. A third of those are at Danville. More than 7,800 have had it since March.